Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop the dancing screen or the shaky shadows in your recordings when you are recording your phone. I'll show you how we can stop this. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Kindly consider hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. So to get started, as you can see, I have tried so many things to stop the screen from shaking while I'm recording it, and nothing seemed to work. Initially I thought it was the settings of my camera, and I tried all manner of settings, but nothing changed. You realize that if you turn your screen off, the glaring and the shadows will stop. However, when you wake up the screen, you see the shadows appear again. I realized that if you want to stop this, what you simply need to do is to go and increase the light of your screen. Now you see the dancing and the shaking has stopped. Now to ensure stability, it is good to go ahead and disable auto brightness so that the brightness will be maintained to the level that you selected. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.